Find our partner login on the upper right-hand corner of our website. From there, go ahead and confirm your email. Make sure you do this within the same browser. You can choose whether you are an SMB or an IT service provider. Let's go with IT service provider. Our very first link is our customer referral button right on the top. Fill out the information as prompted to refer a customer. The second link is our Kyra report. This report helps you identify which customers are vulnerable to a cyber attack. This gives you an opportunity to work with them and add to their security stack. Next is our Incident Response Plan Builder. By filling this out, DataStream will provide you with a roadmap tailored to your organization's needs to prevent cyber attacks. Under the Insure My Business tab, we have our free Techie and O application. DataStream is able to shop your Techie and O application to a network of 15+ carriers to find you the best coverage and pricing. Lastly, our Resources tab is full of free digital material, all for you to utilize for your business. We also have a Fact tab to answer any questions you may have.